Today's fast-paced business environment brings many challenges for manufacturers. Traditional desktop label design applications can no longer keep up with demand. SATO and Loftware provide a secure, cloud-based labeling solution that centralizes label design, printing, and data integration. Loftware Cloud connects directly to pre-configured SATO printers via the Internet. It supports seamless printer relocation across sites, providing greater flexibility and streamlined operations. Extending accessibility to internal teams and external partners, Loftware Cloud enables printing directly from ERP, WMS, and MES. IT no longer needs to manage printer drivers, and users can be added without license keys. Label formats are centrally managed in the cloud, providing access to real-time data, anytime, anywhere via a secure browser, to streamline labeling operations in retail, manufacturing, food and logistics markets. SATO and Loftware provide a cloud-based solution for your labeling needs.